Hi Tube, Dre here. Now this is 9,000 miles. Can you believe that? 9,000 miles since my last oil change. And you can still see the oil is black. It is black. Well, it's not black, it's dark brown. 9,000 miles. Look at the paper. My oil life is 10%. Have 33,711 miles. I changed my oil last time I changed my oil, 24,739 miles. So I actually didn't go 9,000 miles, but I went damn near to it. Here's the two bolts. They're captured bolts, so all you gotta do is take them out. Now to keep me from having to, I'm gonna reach over and grab this one. Alright. And this one right here. Alright, one thing I noticed from last time is it's really not that hard. Once you get used to taking the thing off, you better get ready because it's gonna come out pretty fast. I used to take my hand. Ooh, crap. Damn if it's still spilled. You motherfucker. It's still spilled. That's why you cannot use those shallow oil things. Because I went to Walmart, I was looking for one like this black one. I could not find one. They had some shallow ones. Don't buy those. Even the big old wide one, don't buy it because you're gonna spill your oil. The oil comes out too fast for those things. Alright, I got some brake cleaner and stuff I can use to clean the rest of that up. Yeah. If you get you some brake cleaner, you spray onto the ground and get some paper towel, you can kind of soak up the oil. Not all of it, but some. As I was saying, I've criticized people for draining the oil first before removing the oil filter. And this time I forgot to remove the oil filter first. But whatever. Alright, so we done draining. You just stick the oil plug back in there and turn it with your hand until it stops. It has an O-ring. It does not have to be tight. You just turn it until it stops. I mean, you can't really tighten it. You just turn it until it stops, and it's not going to leak. And if you anal, you can buy those plugs at Ford. Somebody had a video and said the plug was like $3. I broke one of these ends off the very first time because I thought it locked into that. I thought I had to spread them out to turn it. So I took a screwdriver and tried to peel it, and it broke it. It's still closed up and all, but anywho, I guess that's it down here.
Now, first couple times you do this is gonna be an itch, but I found out if you put the front in first, it'd be a lot easier. So I'm trying to show you guys. Take one hand and put that little flap on top and get that flap on top. I got one screw in. I got two screws in. So now all I gotta do is bring it up. Oh, put your wrench in reverse. Yep, that one's in. Put my wrench on that one. Oh hell, I missed it. Okay, so I gotta get it. Oh, hey, it's in there now. It do not have to be torqued in. Just tight enough to. Alright, go over here. If you have a electric wrench, it works wonders. I say it don't have to be real tight, just if you notice, it's not leaking at all, and that's the original O-ring. I think it's the original O-ring when I first bought the truck. I didn't torque it down. It's not that hard to come off either. I don't know, I think somebody said 18 pounds of torque, but it's plastic. You don't torque plastic. Alright, get you some paper towel in case you get something that's gonna drip. The filter today is pretty black. What? Hot too. Well, actually, it's really not that. It's really not that. I mean, it's just as brown as it was last time at 8,900. Alright, I believe in using Motorcraft filters. Here's a new one. Here's the old one. And that's what I mean by, hell, it's still brown. I mean, you can see some dirt on it, but it's not stopped up at all. And those who know me, I don't change the O-rings. Why? There's nothing wrong with them. Will I ever change the O-ring? Yeah, when I get to 100,000 miles, I might change the O-rings. It's trying to rain. I'll wrap this up. Alright, somebody said 18 pounds of torque, but like I always say, you don't torque plastic. It has stopped, so I turned until it got hard, and that's perfect. It is not going to leak. Hell, it didn't leak last time, so why would it leak this time? Alright, too. Went to Walmart, got this for $17 and something, and I got the 6th one for like $4 and something cents. I don't remember. So can I pour this in without spilling anything? And here we go with the last quart. There's no need to check it because I put in 6 quarts. Still check it, but I'm not checking it today. Okay, we're done. Alright, tube, the sad thing is, because I lost my green pan, I can't really show you guys. I mean, you can see how black the oil is, but the green pan, you had contrast. You don't have contrast when you have a black container like this. I mean, you know it's black, but you know, I could like lean the green thing over like that, and you could see whether or not you had sludge. All right, for the people who want to see me recycle my oil, ooh, that is pretty black. But as it pour, I can see some brownness in it, believe it or not. All right, what am I looking for? I'm looking for sludge. I don't see any sludge. I just see oil. But I don't think I'm gonna go 9,000 miles again. I think I'm gonna just change it at 8. Dre, I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Bye.